new. From international super producer and global synthwave phenomenon Richard Rain-Corvette. The debut EP Summer Tour. Featuring the worldwide mega hit The Drift, and the latest planet-straddling short player, TV Trap. Corvette creates smoking hot vibe music for attractive young people. Only babes and dudes need apply. This generational synthesizer tour de force is available on strictly limited edition cassette tape, as well as all major streaming sites, and most of the ones you've never heard of. The hottest EP of 2023. The last day of summer, forever. Summer Tour. From the incomparable Richard Rain-Corvette.